Who is Endolift actually for? I'd say someone not ready for surgery, but past the point where injectables are no longer sufficient, or someone struggling with heaviness in the jawline, under the chin, or mild neck laxity, or someone who wants natural-looking, long-term refinement, not volume. It's a single session treatment. You will see more immediate improvement from the fat reduction and skin contraction, but the real magic happens slowly over 2 to 3 months as the collagen rebuilds. There's minimal downtime, mild swelling, maybe some soreness, but you can walk out of the clinic same day and return to most of your daily routines. Now, will it replace a surgical facelift? No. But can it delay the need for a facelift surgery? Absolutely, sometimes by several years. It's also worth saying it's not for everyone. If there's significant loose skin or structural sagging, we might need to consider other modalities or combinations. But for that in-between stage, without going under the scalpels, Endolift is one of the very few treatments that fills the gap.